The US Navy is about to reveal a warship unlike anything the world has ever seen. Bigger, smarter, and deadlier. This next-generation aircraft carrier could redefine naval warfare. But what makes it so powerful? And why is it feared by America's rivals? Let's find out. For over a century, aircraft carriers have been the ultimate symbol of military dominance. From World War II to modern conflicts, US carriers have projected power across the globe. But with rising threats from hypersonic missiles and advanced submarines, the Navy needed a new design for the future. A new design that anticipates threats beneath and above the sea. The Navy's upcoming supercarriers will feature revolutionary systems, electromagnetic launch systems, emails, for faster, smoother aircraft takeoff. AI-powered defense networks capable of detecting and countering threats in real time. AI coordinates sensors, weapons, and countermeasures faster than humans alone. Drone integration. Unmanned aircraft launching directly from the deck. These unmanned systems expand surveillance and strike options without risking pilots. Stealth features to reduce radar signature. These upgrades mean carriers will be more efficient, more powerful, and harder to target. A fleet centerpiece redesigned for the threats of tomorrow. China is rapidly expanding its navy with the Fujian carrier, while Russia is experimenting with new designs. But the US Navy's supercarriers remain unmatched in size, technology, and global reach. They are not just ships, they are floating cities of power. Command centers, logistics, and air wings, a self-contained projection of force. Aircraft carriers aren't just weapons, they are tools of diplomacy. By sailing close to conflict zones, the US can project influence without firing a single shot. In an era of global tension, supercarriers ensure America stays a step ahead. The future of naval power is here, and it floats on steel giants that dominate the seas. Will the US Navy's next supercarrier keep America ahead of its rivals, or will new technologies challenge its reign? One thing is certain. The battle for the oceans has only just begun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more defense and tech videos.